Hi friends, last time we have seen state functions and path functions. After that we have seen nature of work and nature of heat and sign conventions for work and heat. Okay, now we are going to see expression for pressure, volume, work. Okay, now for before this we have seen definition of work according to quantum or mechanics and also according to thermodynamics. Okay, now we'll see what is a pressure volume work. Okay, same way we have to consider a system. Okay, now first upon just consider this one is system. Okay, in which it contains a specific amount of gas. Okay, and it is fixed with a frictionless rigid movable piston. Okay, now see, this is a container, this is amount of gas filled in it, and this is the piston which is frictionless, rigid and movable. We can move it up and down to apply pressure, that is to increase pressure or to decrease pressure. Okay, at the initiation the external pressure and internal pressure is equal. Okay, that means if we consider this is the external pressure, that means the pressure of surrounding, and this is from the inside pressure of gas. Okay, now if we considered initially these two are equal, if we considered pressure P external for the external pressure. Okay, now as the initially internal pressure and external pressure are equal. Okay, and if we consider the initial volume of gas be V1 or volume of gas be V1 at temperature T. Okay, now we are not going to change the temperature, just we have to see pressure, volume, work. That means if we changed pressure, then what will be the effect on volume? If we changed volume, then what will be the effect of pressure, and what will be the effect of change in pressure and volume on the work done by the system or on the system. Okay, now see, we have seen definition of work. Okay, and according to that we have seen work is equal to force into displacement. Okay, now this force is the, if we consider the force, now we are applying the force by this piston. Okay, and this force is equal to the area of piston. Now this is the area of piston, so area of piston and pressure applied on the system and pressure. Okay, now or we can consider at the initially pressure, external pressure and internal pressure are equal, therefore we are going to consider it PEXT, that is external pressure. Okay, now just consider two cases. Okay, if we increased pressure or if we decreased pressure. Okay, now what we have seen F is or force is the product of pressure P external into area. Okay, now see, just clear one concept here. If we consider this is the area of piston. Okay, now this is the area of piston. Initially external pressure and internal pressure both are equal, PEXT. Okay, that is the pressures are equal but opposite in direction, or the magnitude of pressure is equal but opposite in direction. Okay, now see, if we consider the internal pressure is increased, that is If this considered opposing pressure, then it will become minus PEXT, okay, with respect to this one. Okay, if we consider this pressure is increased, then this pressure will be, now this will become a external pressure, or we can consider it negative sign, that is both pressures amount, that is magnitudes, are equal but the directions are opposite. Therefore we can write there, for F is equal to minus P EXT into area, that is minus external pressure into area. Okay, so we can substitute the value of force in the equation for work done. Therefore W is equal to minus P EXT into area into T. Okay, now see, we have written here W is equal to force into displacement, and by substituting the value of F, we'll get the equation W is equal to PEXT into A into D. Okay, now see, change in volume. Now see, we are going to consider this A into D, that means the area into displacement. Okay, now as we have considered this system with change in volume, if this at this stage volume is V1, and by applying pressure the volume is increased to V2. Okay, and this piston or the volume is changed by a distance D. Okay, now see, this change in volume, initially only this was the volume of gas, now this total become the volume of gas. Now that is to calculate this volume. Okay, so and this is nothing but the area. If we consider this is the area and this is the displacement. Okay, so area into displacement will get the change in volume of gas. Therefore here W will become F into delta V. Here W will become P EXT into delta V. Okay, that is the product of area of piston and distance moved is the volume change in the system, and therefore delta V is equal to A into D, and by substituting the value in equation we'll get here it is PEXT into delta V. Therefore W is equal to, now delta V is the change in volume, so we can write delta V is equal to V2 minus V1 also. So the equation will become W is equal to minus PEXT into V2 minus V1, in bracket V2 minus V1. Okay, and as this V2 is greater than V1, you can see in this. Okay, see, this one is greater than this one. Okay, so subtraction will become positive, that is this delta V will become positive as the V2 is greater than V1. Therefore equation will become W is equal to minus PEXT into delta V. Okay, and as delta V is positive, the multiplication of positive and negative will become negative, and therefore will become negative. And as we have seen in sign convention of work, as the delta is negative, the work is done by the system on the surrounding. Okay, and that is this process, it is of expansion process, or we can remember, if the process is expansion process, the work done by the system on the surrounding or work is negative work. Okay, in and vice versa, if we consider the process is compression process, the process is compression. Okay, that means consider two systems. Okay, we'll see in next. Okay, for this, okay, we'll see. If we consider the system like this, okay, initial volume is this, that is V1. The system is fitted with frictionless rigid movable piston. Okay, and see, by change in pressure, by change in pressure, now here it will become a V2, V2, and this is V1. That means initially gas volume till this one, now it fill till this one only, that is the volume of gas is reduced, that is gas is compressed. Okay, now see once again for the equation what we have seen, W is equal to F into D. Again same, for the F is equal to PEXT into V into into A into D, that is the distance change. Now here this one is the change in distance. Okay, now we'll see after this, as the equation we have seen like this. Okay, this one V2, this is the V1. Okay, now see the equation will become W is equal to minus PEXT into V2 minus V1, that is change in volume. Okay, now here V2 is less than V1. What we have seen, V2 is less than V1, and therefore V2 minus V1 is become negative. Okay, or for example you can consider if V2 is 8 ml, okay, and V1 is 10 ml. Okay, then 8 minus 10 will become how much, minus 2 ml, and therefore delta V will become negative. Okay, and so therefore we can substitute here W is equal to minus PEXT into minus delta V, product into minus delta V. Now this minus and this minus will become positive, therefore W is equal to PEXT into delta V. Okay, so this work is positive, therefore W is equal to positive. Okay, and as this W is equal to positive, so we can say work is done on the system by the surrounding, okay, so remember these both concept for the pressure volume work. So what we have concluded, if the process is expansion process, for expansion process W is equal to negative, that is work is done on the system by the surrounding, and for the compression work is positive, that is work is done on the system by the surrounding. Okay, so these two derivations are important regarding exam point of view. So read it carefully, listen it carefully, and do practice. Okay, so if you found this video is useful for you, then like, share and subscribe. Next time we will see the next point of this